Hi guys, and welcome to this awesome tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to actually do AI head swap online with this really cool AI website I found called deepfakemaker.io. So all you have to do is to sign in and then click on face swap, scroll down to AI head swap online, click on it, and then you'll be brought to a page where you can actually swap a head for a different head. So um it says here, say goodbye to boring or imperfect photos with our AI head swap online too. You can instantly and accurately swap faces or heads in any photo powered by cutting edge as well. Okay, so yeah, it's just basically like fake, like a face swap, but it focuses on the head. So just click on upload or to upload the original picture here, and then the picture you want to swap it with here. Once you click on it, this would automatically be clickable. We can click on it, and then in a few seconds you have your picture ready. You can go on ahead to download it, and you have your good picture. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.